Welcome. In this video I'll be talking about one step-by-step example of insertion sort algorithm. So the array or list we're gonna be looking at is gonna be 7, 3, 1, 5, and 6. So the way I like to do it is I like to put sorted and unsorted. Okay, so the first element is gonna be 7, and the unsorted part is gonna be 3, 1, 5, and 6. Okay, so step 1, we look at the first one and we go from right to left. So we're gonna put it 3, 7. Then we're left with 1, 5, 6. Then step 2, we're gonna do 1, 5, 6. So we look at 1 right to left, so it's gonna be 1, 3, 7. That's the correct place for the 1. Now step 3, and then and of course we got rid of the 1, so we picked the 1, we got rid of the 1, so we're only left with 5 and 6. So now we're doing 5. Okay, so 1, 3, and from right to left, so 5 goes behind the 7, so we need to make space, so it will be 5, 7, and we're left with 6. Now we go a step 4, we look at 6, and then we look, has to be in between 5 and 7, so we need to make space for it. So 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and now all we're left is an empty list. So now we can say the list is now completely sorted. List is sorted, and the final list is 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. So some of the key takeaways. The first thing is element insertion. At each step, the first element of the unsorted section is inserted into its correct position within the sorted section. The second thing we take away is the comparison. Elements in the sorted section are compared from right to left to find the correct insertion point. Remember, from right to left. And the final is the shifting. That's when something we need to shift. Elements in the sorted section may need to be shifted to the right to make space for a new insertion. Right, we have to say shift to right to make space for a new insertion. By breaking down the sorting process into these steps, you can gain a clearer understanding of how insertion sort operates and apply it effectively to sort small or nearly sorted datasets. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.